When I think back on this time and the dreams you left behind, how glad is I was blessed to get to have you in my life. When I look back